Hello. So here I am showing the explaining the project Stopwatch. Now first there is a index.html file. Uh, Basically here first there is a headings and a stopwatch, and then this is a container of stopwatch where the first step is basically to display the time, and in second step there are three buttons: start, stop, and reset. Well, the main logic of the project is there in script.js file. Now in script.js file, first there are I'm getting all my DOM elements here for start button, stop button, reset button, and display element button. Display element button is the display where the time will show. Now first there are three add event listeners for each button: start, stop, and reset. After clicking, their function will be invoked. Now before explaining the start function, first I initialize three variables: start time, elapsed time, and time interval. Here elapsed time is the time which is already passed away. Now first there is a format time function which is used to display the time in hour, minute, and second format. Now it will return in by basic math calculation. Now in start function, first there is a start time which is basically a difference between date.now and elapsed time. Here date.now is basically the current time. It is basically a library which is used to get the current time. Now time interval, we can get the time interval by the function where elapsed time is basically a date.now minus start time, and then the time will be displayed in our display using our format time function. After that, the start button disable will be true. Now in stop function, it basically clear the time interval. Here the start button is basically disabled will be the false, and it will clear the time interval. And in reset, basically the elapsed time will be 0. So that's how the JavaScript file will work. And in CSS file, this is basic styling. Like for background image, I use linear gradient so that the color will change from one side to other side. And then basically only padding, margin, colors, and background colors are used in the whole CSS. That's all.